Gears can be found in the core of most of the rotating stuff around you. In this lesson, you will learn how to use AutoCAD to draw an involute gear using the gear data on the left. I'll begin with a 2D sketch, then convert it to a solid model. To begin the drawing, make the X-lines layer current. With the circle command, create a circle with diameter of 250. That is the value of the pitch circle diameter. Launch X-line and select the vertical option. Then snap to the left quadrant. Repeat the X-line command, select the angle option, and then click reference sub-option and click the previous vertical line as the reference. AutoCAD says enter angle of X-line. So I'll enter 20. 20 defines the pressure angle. Then snap the created X-line to the quadrant on the circle. Launch circle command again and pick the center of the pitch circle as the center of the new circle. Then use the tangent object snap to place the circle on the angular X-line. This defines the base circle. Using offset command, define the addendum and dedendum. Launch line command and draw a line to join the left quadrant of the dedendum circle to the addendum circle. Divide the line created into 3 segments. Using the line command, snap to the point closer to the outside circle, that is, the addendum circle. With the tangent snap, place the endpoint of the line on the circumference of the base circle. Zoom into the area of the line created and divide the line into 4 segments. Make the outlines layer current, then launch the arc command. Right-click and select the center option. With the node object snap active, snap to the second point closer to the base circle. Then create an arc in counterclockwise direction. Use the extend command to extend the arc to the dedendum circle. Produce a fillet of 2.5 between the arc and the root circle. Select the 2 arcs created and mirror them using the center of the circle as the first point of the mirror line and the second point directed horizontally. Make the points layer current. Then with the center of the concentric circle as the center and a point on the quadrant of the pitch circle as a start point, extend an arc in counterclockwise direction and pick a convenient point to end the arc. Using measure command, create point segments 15.71 mm on the created arc. With the rotate command, select one of the arcs made for the gear tooth and enter. Pick the center of the concentric circles as a base point. AutoCAD demands a rotation angle. Select the reference option, pick the center of the circles, then click a point along the left quadrant of the circle to define the second point. Then snap to a point on the first segment created. Trim off excess parts of the arcs for the gear tooth and the outside circle. Select the trimmed arc and the root circle, then move them to the outlines layer. Join the arcs for the gear tooth, then using polar array, produce 25 teeth for the gear. Launch QSelect command and select all objects on the outlines layer, then isolate them. Proceed to trim off some parts of the root circle as necessary. Select only the gear teeth and join them. Now this is the completed 2D sketch of the gear. To produce the solid model of this gear, switch to isometric view, then using extrude or press pull command, create the solid model.